Once again, very good morning to everyone. Welcome. Welcome to the next generation social media platform. Social media platform, the $1 trillion business platform in this world. As per the digital overview in Jan 2020, we find it from online saying that out of 7.7 billion population in this world, almost 49% of the people are active social media users. Because of that only we are saying that the social media is the biggest industry in this world. Other than that, we have again global e-commerce spend by category we are taken. We are able to see here in a different categories from 620.1 billion, only one section called fashion and beauty. If you just go through it, furniture and appliances, or if you go through toys and hobbies, whatever maybe, so 383.2 billion US dollar. If you go and look at to the electronics and physical media, it is 456.9 billion turnover. So altogether, if you look into this scenario, we can prove that the social media is the biggest industry in this world. Our visual, I mean to say that even you go and search for social networking sites, approximately 20 network sites are available. We have already said that is approximately 49% of the total population is active social media users. Even me and the person who is listening to me now, everyone, without fail, there will be one or two social media definitely will be using. Without the social media, we cannot live in this world. Without a WhatsApp, without a Facebook or a YouTube, whatever it may be, we need it because it is once, it's a free of cost to use it. Not only that, we get an opportunity to share with our friends. I mean, to communicate with the friends, whatever our happy or badness, whatever the political or whatever the stages, whether the sports or nature or pets, anything to make a friends all over the world. We have opportunity free of cost to be with this all social media networks. Even I am the one among, because last 4 to 5 years I'm using Facebook. I have a friend circle of more than 5,000 plus. I used to spend usually minimum 2 hours, morning 1 hour and evening 1 hour. I used to spend time on Facebook to, I mean, reply my friends' request or accept a request. If I like it, any type of, I mean, sharings, definitely I will say that, okay, it's excellent. I'll give a comment to that. But when Dr. Mathi sir has given me this opportunity, he asked me, Joe sir, you are using Facebook, you are using YouTube, you are using WhatsApp. This was the question he asked me. Are you making money? Really, it was an eye opener for me. Yes. 99% of the people who are using these social media people can say that answer will be no. There is no doubt about it. But he said that, yes, we can make money out of this social media platform. Just you change a platform. Then I went and searched in Google to find out what Mr. Mathi is saying correct or not. Yes. Just, because I am using Facebook since so many years, then I went and even you can also go to the Google and search about it. Yearly revenue of Facebook. Last year, 2019. Really? No, it was happiness. 70.7 billion turnover. Billion, okay. In being I'm an Indian, if I calculate into 75 Indian rupees, how many crores it is? Just imagine it. Yes, but the users, you and me, or the whole people around the world using this platform, but they're not earning any single penny out of it. Then how we can earn money from here? That's what I'm going to tell you. Many people, when I said about Vite, they asked me, how you can earn Vite? There is no product, no, there is no service, no. How can I join with your company? How can I believe? It's illegal, no. So many things. The people doesn't know what product is soft. I mean, the social media having it. See, today morning, Dr. Madhisa called me early morning, 6 o'clock, and he asked me. When he called, I was not able to answer, so he immediately put a message saying that, see, you have at 9 o'clock. There's a presentation. So what I have done it, I said, okay, sir, I'm ready at 8:30. So I will be online at 8:30. And he came sharp at 8:30. We didn't talk personally, but indirectly he put a message. In social media platform we called as chat. When I replied to him, I'm ready at 9:30, and he asked me to be ready by 9 o'clock. You understand the meaning? So that we call as chat. Suppose he shared me yesterday night a beautiful picture and I like it. Just I put a click on the thumb. That is called like. He share a photo, what he likes it. If I like, I'll put a thumb. That is called likes. So what I mean to say that each and every people are the product of this social media. You and me, or the whole world who is using this social media platform are the product here. The people who are investing time, the time is a product here. If you do any activity, whether it can be sharing or liking or commenting or you are tweeting or whatever, or blog, whatever it may be, what we do an activity in social media platform, that is called the product over here. So your likes and shares are worth money. The social media platforms are keeping all profits to themselves. Vite aims to change this for a better world, to create real wealth. Talking about the company Vite, is a license from Switzerland, headquarters in Belgium. Board of directors, Mr. Dirk is the president, Mr. Martin is the vice president, Mr. Shage and Mendy is the board members. These four people's vision started not yesterday or 1 month ago. It was started in the year of 2011 onwards. That means they have worked hard to reach their vision into the world, to came to the stage called beta phase or pre-launch stage. Now we are enjoying that their hard work and really what their vision. Really we have to think about it. When I listened the vision of this company, they said that it's eliminate poverty worldwide. I laugh at them. And the person when he told me, Riley, is a person, one person can think about this poverty to eliminate from this world? Is it possible? If Jose thinks it is possible, or Dr. Mati alone thinks it is possible? No. I'm telling you, if we together, if one family, one mindset, we can do it. Definitely it's possible. Every day from morning 9 a.m. to night 9 p.m. we are working together. More than 7 to 8 to 10 presentation per day. Talking to the people. Just assume it approximately 300 to 400 people a day if I'm talking. What will happen? That dream has to be, that vision will be fulfilled. There is no doubt about it. Now, talking about this company which is licensed from Switzerland, why? Why not in other countries they have taken a license? Of course, the rules and regulations, the law, bylaw of that country is so strict, not like any other countries in this world. That may be the reason they have taken the license from Switzerland. I mean to say that if a company license from Switzerland, most of the countries in this world, that means 99% of these countries in the world will not require any other legal document for this. Even though this company having it, all the continents of this world they have a legal department. Whatever they require, they will do it on the spot. So they are prepared to make it to happen. Now almost 183 countries it is established, doing the business very smoothly by the grace of God. I'm lucky to have this company into my life to change. Definitely, you too can enjoy while investing your time. If you have time, the people who are using this platform more and more, then you are able to earn money and help others around you, around your community, around your country, around the world. So, Vite rewards you for your efforts. You don't have to change your habits. We won't ask you to do different things. But if you invest time and spend time with us and do your efforts, what you have done before, like any other platforms or social media, definitely can earn money via Vite. Vite, the real wealth creation platform, empowering you to a new life. Now I have completed around 47 years of old, 26 years of work experience in different countries. Even in India, I've been in the Indian, I work in India for last 13 to 14 years. I worked in almost 20 states all over India. And I never find a combination of this type of company in my life. Maybe the person who is listening to me, just you think about any company that came up with combination of three fastest growing industries in this world. Already I have told you about 400 trillion US dollar market that is called social media industry, which is the biggest and fastest growing industry in this world. Of course, second largest and fastest growing industry is nothing but cryptocurrency industry, which people may ask, there are so many things happening around this world. Is it you among them that? No. We have our own coin called Vite, which we are paying and receiving it for. We are not doing any trading over here, but that is a part of our life to do this business. And the third, 190 billion US dollar turnover industry, which is called e-commerce or a home-based business, which is called network marketing industry. I'm so proud to say that being part of this Vite, we will be allowed to do this network marketing industry into the social media mingled with the cryptocurrency industry. This Vite has changed my life. Of course, the Latin word called Vite meaning is life. Vite was made for life, for me, for you, for everyone, for a lifetime. A great system to enrich our community members. How does Vite share the revenues and profits? Of course, we had seen one company which I shown you in the initial slide, Facebook. 70.7 billion turnover just to 1 year. There are 19 other social media platforms are available. I didn't check about that. You can imagine it, what is 10%. So this company will keeping for their expenses only 10%, balance 90%. They are giving back to the its users. Like Jose, Dr. Mati, Dr. Sami, or around this world, Mr. Pradeep, Dr. Sami, everybody is doing what? We are recommending this company to others. We are proclaiming this good news to the whole world. Everybody is going to be benefited 12% as an advertising commission. And we are using again the same platform. And 78% also we are getting. So total 90% we are getting from the social media platform. Yes. Next one. This is the first time in the history of network industry. No other companies in this world providing 100% turnover is distributed to the users via the payout plan. I heard about many multi-level marketing company, or I'm not naming any of one. There will be many ranks, like, you are a diamond, you are a crown, you are something platinum. So many names they put for it. But now you and me, the difference is just 43 days difference. And Dr. Mati and myself is approximately 45 days or 46 days difference. But one thing I'll tell you, the man who joined this business maybe 6 months before or 1 week before or today or tomorrow, those who are coming, each and everybody is equal here from the beginning and get the same compensation. 100% the payout plan. Vite. Now this is the pre-launch phase or called beta phase. Here, if you want to become a Pioneer member, you must pay 200 US dollar to activate automated home-based e-commerce system to create your future. But if you wait, if you're not able to do it right now, please wait. After public launch, you can be a part of here as a joining free, how you are doing with other networking industry. But in here, the speciality of this company, those who are even joining free will be getting $344, which will be a great income for a common family. Even if calculated in India, it comes more than 25,000 Indian rupees. I know personally there are many people are working for 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 or 8,000 or below 15,000 rupees. where we are giving out of 25,000 Indian rupees, which is called more than, I mean, it's a very good income for a common family. $344 is a great income. So here you have an opportunity to become a pioneer member to giving. While giving $200, company is going to give you three income for you. The one is, I like this income because I need to work from morning 9 a.m. to night 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Yesterday night I slept at 3 o'clock. I need to work because I need a dream. I have a dream. I need to earn money to help my family, my children's, my parents, my community, my country, the whole world. If I get an opportunity to work, am I to be success for everyone? If I'm able to give something good to others, definitely this opportunity, I don't want to miss it. Just in my lifetime, I'm going to give you only $200 to this company. It's not a huge amount at all. Other than that, company is giving me an opportunity to learn about this business. Suppose the first time user, some listeners, maybe he will not understand what is all about it. So when you pay $200, your ID will be activated for 1 month. Again, next month is going to be renewed. Suppose to say that you are not able to get your friends, or you are not able to work, or you are not able to earn, company is going to give you another 30 days more while providing another $200 within 30 days of your joining. That is a beauty. That's we call as destiny matrix. The third income, when you invest $200, company is going to give you, the moment you registered as a free, you get 1 unit, which is called $344, which is giving to everyone even after, public launch. But here, the person who joined now, he will be getting addition to that. When he paid $200 for upgradation, he will be getting 5 extra units. That is nothing but 5 plus 1, 6 into $344, which will be $2,064. Being an Indian, I used to calculate always with 75 rupees, it comes 1.5 lakh Indian rupees. I feel proud to be received that one. And I'm telling you, a person who invested $200 into this project, he never going to lose a single penny, whether he work or not work. Definitely this amount will come to him. But he has to wait if he's not working. But a person like a Jose or Dr. Mati or Dr. Shabir or Mr. Pradeep, I'm telling you that within 1 month time, we can get back our 200. It's a guaranteed amount. We can withdraw and enjoy for our family. While paying 200 US dollar, you are buying a with a success system, which is 90% social media revenue sharing and 100% payout plan on networking. How to join over here? Step 1. Who invited you to attend this meeting? Contact him immediately. Ask him to send an invitation link, or it's called upline link. Just click on that and you will be getting a VTF free registration. There you have to just type your name, email ID, date of birth, gender, your country. Create your own username and password, and make sure that you have to click terms and condition privacy policy to agree, then submit registration. Immediately you will be getting an email verifications. You have to update your personal profile, and you have to upload a photo of profile as a cover photo. Immediately you will be getting a garden unit 1, which is worth of $344. You are not paid a single penny over here, okay? You have a time to think again whether you want upgrade or not. You have a 14 days time company has given to you. You listen 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, every day. 8 presentation, 9 presentation, different languages. You go, search, and finalize it as early as possible to earn another 5 units. So let me tell, there are 3 varieties of income company provides, which I already shown you in the first slide. The first one, which I like it, the active system, that is called purpose matrix, or it is called team building matrix. If you are going to invest your time here, I'm telling you that It's going to change your life. Either way, if you join us with $200, if you are upgraded here, whether you work or not work, the company is going to provide you. There are two other income called Destiny and Garden, which is under residual retention system we call as RR system. It's a company metrics. It is fully automated system by the company. So let me tell you one by one how it works out. This is called purpose matrix. It is called level income. A great community enriched system for active and inactive team members based on 3x8 force matrix automated placement system. I'll tell you why it is automated placement system. It is runs based on global team building social rewarding system. One world, one team, global community. Let's assume, let me take some of you. One Mr. Kannan sir is here. One Mrs. Gangamam is there. Let me take these two people as an example here. Kannan sir already there with me since so many days. Just assume Kannan sir is not working. Then I got a person by name Gangamam. She's a teacher by profession. She has so many friends around the world. And she said that, Joe sir, I'm ready to work hard. Then as an upline of Kannan, Joe has introduced Mrs. Ganga under Kannan sir. Immediately, Kannan sir will be receiving $67. It's not one time, okay? The $67, if he gets one this month, month after, the whole life, it is a permanent position of Gangamam under Mr. Kannan sir, and he is going to earn $67. What Joseph will get, that's a huge income. I'll tell you later. Okay, let me complete what is first Kannan gets and what Gangamam is going to get. Just assume Gangamam is not sleeping. Day and night, she's with me till night, 3 o'clock also. Even morning I told her to come for the training presentation, she already there at present. I mean to say that she have a dream, she need to fulfill her life, she have a dream to fulfill her children's, so many things. So like Joe, she's going to start the presentation, she's going to explain this plan to many, the whole world. And as per Vijay Global Support Team, we have set a target for us. A person who joined, he has to complete his 3 first level members within 1 week time. If you follow that, I'm telling you that within 8 weeks, we are able to complete these 8 levels. This is only limited income, I can say. Limited income means the maximum a person can earn here monthly 28,546.14 US dollar only. You may be discouraged. Oh, only this much. But just calculate it with your country's currency, okay? It's a huge income. It's not for one time, it's for lifetime. Just assume that second and third person, you and me, anybody in this business, only 3 people you can directly refer in your first level, whether you bring or your upline bring or your friends bring, whoever it may be, you can get maximum 3 persons in the first level. That means 67 into 3, it is called $201 monthly income is guaranteed. Thereafter, if they get their 3, or if you work, I mean, if Kannan sir works and help these people, or Gangamam get her own 3 people, each and everybody from, or maybe from Matisa's team or Samisa's team, somewhere it maybe come to the down level as overflow. The second level when completed 9 into 15, Mr. Kannan sir will be getting it. So $135 again. But I'm telling you, Gangamam is my reference. Okay, I'm keeping suspense. What Jose is going to get as a sponsor. If you are able to complete this level, 9,840 members totally comes if you calculate. Okay, so the person who comes, if Gangamam is completed this level, 28,546.14 is the monthly fixed income for her. Now the good news, each and everybody who come to this business, they will have a permanent position. We used to say in a companies and all temporary, 3 months or 6 months professional period. But here there is no temporary, okay? Once you pay $200, upgraded as a Pioneer member, you will be getting a permanent position here. Example, Gangamam is here as you, and she's got 1, 2, 3, maybe from her own family, husband, children, or her sister or someone else. Or just assume his husband has come or her sister has come second, third somebody has come from outsiders. Now, if she gets a fourth person, she has to put under one only, the first person only. And if it comes second person, that is called fifth person, because of her own husband, she cannot put under him. It will automatically go to second person. That may be her sister, I don't know. But one thing I'll tell you, if a sixth person Miss Gangamam brought, then automatically it will not go to her husband or her sister. It goes to number 3, an X person from outside. This is called algorithm. It's a balancing. Everybody is going to benefit out of it. Because 99% of the people are going to do it their own referral. And we cannot place a person directly under someone with his own referral. So what happens? Anytime a person comes, it goes in algorithm system. It will balance your levels. So whether the person 3 came from outside, whether the person 1 came from her own family, but it is equally benefited everyone because of the hard work of Miss Ganga. So I mean to say that everybody is benefited. This is the system even for all our incomes, all our income, even garden metrics also. When I explain, you will understand that. So now let me complete you. We are paying approximately $200. Company is giving us a referral income total for 8 levels. It's only $93.74. Then what about balance amount? I'll show you one by one. The balance amount is approximately 3 point something will be go to the sponsor, that is Jose is going to get. I'll show you here 3.24 for the 8th level. Each and every level you are able to see it. See, 0.25 for the first level, 0.25 for the second level. So Jose got, when Gangamam came under Kannan, I got only 0.25. It may look like a penny, very small amount. But I'm telling you, when Gangamam earned 28,546, Jose is going to earn 8,109 just to one person. But Kannan sir got first month 67, second month 67. Even though Gangamam is directly to Mr. Kannan sir, but who earned money here? The person who introduced her, Mr. Jose, earned money here. So I mean to say that I've just given an example, Mr. Jose. You have to introduce your own people. You must introduce the maximum. Just one person. Just one person I brought, I got 8,109 per month. I not done any other work. Just assume if I got 5 persons. 8,109 into 5, $40,548.75 per month my income. If I get 10 persons, 81,097.50 US dollar per month is a huge income. So the more and more you are going to introduce the people, you are going to earn lot of income from this. Lot of income from this. So me, along with Dr. Mathisa, he's my mentor. I'm so proud to be part of him. He told me, Joe sir, we will go for a 100 days VTA challenge. 1 day, 1 activation. I said, okay, let me go ahead, sir. Really, it's worth enough. 1 activation per day means it is 1 family we are going to be protected. That family is going to be earn money and help others around the world. They will be part of 100 days VT challenge even after our team goes on. So the second and most important income, we are getting a learning period of 30 days. Still company is helping. If you work day 1 onwards, definitely you are earning. This is called reverse matrix engineering. Really, it's engineering goals. First month, it's a company force matrix. We no need to do anything. Definitely, it's a fully automated system. Runs once a month, any time from 15th to 20th, and every month new metrics input of 100 and output of US dollar 200. I'll show you how it is works, okay? For all active members, new and all will be earning from this residual retention system because it's automatically reserves. I'll show you how. Runs once a month for all activity members. I think last month it was on 16th. So just assume it's 16th at 8 o'clock example. Okay. If 759 who persons join, he also will be getting US dollar 200. I'll tell you 50% of all active upgraded members, whether old or new. I'll give you a scenario over here. Just assume that 40,000 people, old members. And this month there was only 10,000 new members are joined. So total 50,000 VT members. Everybody, when they upgraded $200, they paid. Am I right? That means from that $100 they are keeping for Destiny runs. So 50,000 into 100. You are able to see my screen, am I right? So 50% of the total people is 25,000 earns 200 guaranteed. That means 10,000 people who joined very recently, who came just now, and 15,000 people are all the people. They also got. It's a lucky, okay, not everyone will get. In my team, there are a few guys have got it. So everybody will get $200. That is a guaranteed within 30 days of the month. Okay. Now, the Destiny run anytime from 15th to 20th is running from 15th to 20th. Activate now to receive US dollar 200 from Destiny income. Now, there's a beautiful income which I understand is Garden Metrics, which is 5x5 metric system. One world, one team with a global community. This is called a cascade effect. It's flowing from the top to the bottom. It's automatically filled by an algorithm system, which I showed you what is algorithm. 5x5 metrics means first level there will be 5 units. It's not a people. And we are not going to, placing here, it is automatically happening by the company. When 5 units placed in your first level, immediately you will be getting 0.12 cents into 5, that means 0.60 cents. And it can be from your upline, it can be from a downline, it can be from cross line, or from anywhere in this world. Another 25 units can be placed under your second level, will give you into 0.04 cents, that will fetch $1. You may feel Jose is telling very single amount. What is this? I'll tell you one word. Many drops make an ocean. Remember, maybe it is look like a very small cents, but it gives huge amount. 1 unit, when it's completed 3,905 unit into 5x5 metric system, you will be earning $344.10. As a sponsor, example, Ganga ma'am when she got 1 unit, and when she earned $344, as a sponsor, Jose is earning $101.5 from 1 unit, okay? She already got another 5 unit when she got upgraded. So total 6 unit. 6 unit into 101 is my income. And she earned 1.5 lakhs in Indian rupees, or $2,064 in dollar. Jose is earning 606 unit. But whereas Gangamam was under Condenser team, he will get only 67. I hope you understand. Even she works, I earn. Even she not works, I earn. So there are 2 options here. You can work or you cannot work. The only 2 options. Either say no or yes. Even after joining, if she decided, Jose, I'm not going to work, I would not bother. We are not worried about it. She will not be a loser. She will be getting anyhow the 6 unit into 344. And again next month, 100% Destiny will run. She'll get another 5 unit. So 11 into 344, when she earns, Jose will be earning 11 into $101. I hope may you understand what all about it. So when you pay $200 and to become a Pioneer member, you are getting an opportunity to buy each 1 unit just while paying 0.60 cents. 1 unit will fetch you $344. And you and me, or even Dr. Mati, or any person in this world, everybody is equal. Maybe you have a lot of fund. You say that, Joe sir, I'm going to buy a 2000 unit. No, here everybody is equal. Even the president of America will be the same. If he comes and join also, he can buy per day 20 unit only. That is a maximum. So per day 20 garden units means you need to pay 0.60 cent. That is called US dollar 1 2. That is 12 US dollar only. It's if we calculate in India, it comes around 900 US. I mean Indian rupees. But of course, it's a huge amount. But the income also is huge. 20 into $344. Your income is per day US dollar 880 dollar. From where we are getting, from social media revenue sharing system. I'm telling you, the person who joined yesterday and asking me, Joe sir, when I'll get my $200, he is not bothered about this 880. Very clearly we given the name here, garden unit. The day when Mati sir gave me this opportunity, this is my screen you are able to see here. I started by the 42 days till yesterday. I have purchased 20 into 42. It will become 840 units. 6 unit for the first day I missed it. 14 unit I missed to buy. I'm really feeling very bad. If I could have buy that 14 unit also, it become $860. I mean units. Do you know that the person who gave me this opportunity is a God's angel? This opportunity gave me how much, and the opportunity he provide me, what he earns, 846 into $101. It is called $85,911 he earned because of one person called Jose in India. If you get one Jose under you, your life is going to be changed. I can say that. And because of his desire to help me out, he never teach me, or he never give me a fish to eat. He teach me how to fishing, so that how much ever I need, I can fish and earn it here. That's what I done. So from the day when I started to collect 20 unit, it become 846. My income is 846 into 344.10. It is called US dollar 2,91,108.60. For me in India, it's a very huge amount. Do you know that one more thing he teach me, Joe sir? If you give this opportunity for your daughter or your wife, again you can earn not 344.10 per unit. Instead of you are the sponsor, this both income, that is 101 plus 344, it is called 445 US dollar per unit. Joes you can earn. I done immediately my wife and my daughter. So you can imagine it, approximately 3 lakh into 9 lakhs US dollar I earned. Even I didn't do this business today. If I didn't do this presentation, I'm really financial freedom guy. I'm telling you, I given a calculation here, 6 into 344. The person even never work here, he will be earning $2,064 in his lifetime. So Gardametrics. I love to be part of this Gardametrics because it's a non-working plan. A person who doesn't want to introduce his people into this business, he doesn't want to help his own family or his close friends, never mind. He become independent. He become financial free guy. If he start with a plan called, the best plan is start with the 560, a person who doesn't want to introduce his people. Based on your own units, I told you here already, 20 unit if you are able to buy into 344.10 US dollar means total 6,882 US dollar per day income he can earn. That means if for 30 days, if we're going to buy $2,06,460. Just imagine per day his income in Indian rupees, I calculated here, it's 5 lakh per day. Which business will give me 5 lakh per day? It's a huge income. That is enough. So, working plan. If you are able to help your own family, your own friends around this world, the sponsor level income along with the non-working plan, Start sponsoring people over here. Help the people around. You purchase. I mean, say I have already purchased 846 into 101. It become 85,000 US dollar for my upline. The same way I got it from my two referrals, which is my wife and my daughter. 85,000 US dollar into two. Just assume it 24,000 approximately 846 into three IDs. Imagine it. A person, if I introduce Gangamam, if I introduce Kanan sir, if I introduce Pradeep sir, if they buy units, I will be getting $101. So it become 2 lakh. Just assume that after some time it become 5,000 units. It will be 5 lakh 7,000. Sorry, 50 lakh 7,000, 77,500 US dollar. It's unlimited income. So garden metrics, maybe it will be very small amount, but imagine it, it's a huge money. That's why I used to say that many drops of water makes an ocean. It's a really wonderful plan. After public launch, free members receive one free garden unit. Join free, earn free, US dollar 344. I'm telling you that you and me will get an opportunity. Go to the slum areas to get the poor people who doesn't have even their daily bread. Teach them, because you are already being as a Pioneer member, you already sufficient to earn from here as a financial freedom guy. Definitely you can work with the slum area. You can go to any area, the people who doesn't have a money, tell them, teach them, and you bring them to the new life, which is joining by just free and earning $344. So after public launch, a free member always gets. So I'm telling you one thing, sir. $200 you pay and become a member, you can get number of guys. There's no issues. But when you say it is free, I don't think you will get a people. It's damn sure. Now you feel comfortable. Any people will come and join after free when it's launched. It is a very difficult, I'm telling you, to get a people free of cost to join into the business. Even though you say that you get $344 per month, they said that maybe you are benefited out of it. Definitely they will not listen to you. But I'm telling you, if you say that join with $200, the maximum you are able to do it now till public launch. Then with our own people, in our own family, maybe we can make you so many free members. Then we can go and make them understand the whole world to be a part of this Vite family. So getting into the business with just $200 for what? One, you are getting a working plan that is called purpose metrics. You can earn monthly fixed income. Second, company is giving a support for you for the first 30 days. Within a $200 will give back to you. The third and the evergreen product is a garden. See, listen the names of these all positions. Purpose, there is a reason. Destiny, definitely imagine it. You are going to reach the destiny. And the garden is nothing but, we all knows about it. It's based on the name itself. It gives you blossoms. So social media revenue sharing is 90% and networking sharing is 100% payout. Money is transferred nearly in real time. Here it comes cryptocurrency. Our payout system is decentralized cryptocurrency blockchain technology. So what will happen? We no need to wait like 9 to 5 jobs. We no need to wait like in a traditional business to get the profit once in a while. Here, whatever the hard work you do on the spot, it will be credited to your account. That is the beauty. 24 hours, whether the company office is open or not, don't worry. Because it's the technology works for you. 24 hours, anytime, anywhere you can work. Anyone you can bring. If a person join under you, immediately the commission will be credited to your wallet. And whatever the unit the person buy for you, whatever the commission that person earns, your commission also will be credited daily basis. That's why I said garden unit is every day. In gardens, flowers you can pluck every day because every day it blossoms, right? Same way, here every day our income is there. This is called financial freedom. The more Vite grows, the more everyone is going to be profits. So Vite revolutionizes social media platform for a better world. Vite is ready to expand worldwide. Are you ready to be a part of it? Please take a decision now. Just paying $200 to become a Pioneer member for what? Three incomes waiting for you, and to receive lot of garden units. I used to say garden units are just like a seed. In a paddy plant, if you are going to place these all seeds, one day it will be get more. You can harvest it. So that's what the garden. These units are the seeds. Every day it's going to give you income. So growing global prosperity, which stimulates social media movement. When Dr. Mathi sir called me and said, Joe sir, please join with me. For what? He told me eliminate poverty. Well, but I laugh at him. But when I understand, in that laughing become crying. Yes. When he gave me a clear picture, which no other media shows in this world, daily when you open your print media or social media or any channels, TV channels or everywhere, nobody is showing what really happening in this world. I'm telling you, really, I cried when he explained me. First, I laugh at him, but when he explained, no, I said, I am living midst of the people who are not having even one time's food. Really, it's wonder because 22,000 children around the world daily dying without one time food. Then I said, sir, will be with you in 100 days with a challenge. I want to help the humanity around the whole world. First, let me complete my family, my children, my community. Then I'll think about the country. Then we will think about the whole world. So the vision of the company is so huge. Eliminate poverty worldwide. It's really opened my eyes. I'm inviting you people to be a part of this. We can do wonders. If one Jose cannot do anything or Dr. Mathi alone can't do anything. But when we are together, we are very powerful. I'm telling you daily, approximately 400 to 500 people, we are giving this good news. We are proclaiming this good news to the whole world. 100 days Vite challenge, 400 into 400 days. It can be become 4,000, 4 lakh, 40 lakhs. It can be become 4 crores. When we are together, we can possible. Everybody, whatever we earn, we don't need to give any single penny from our pocket. You earn $1 from this company. Even you buy 1 unit from this company, they are keeping some amount for a charity. That you not giving to the open, they are giving to the responsible departments like UNICEF and all. I'll show you a video before completing these words, which I told you now. 3 billion people living on less than US dollar 2.50 per day. Just imagine it. I told you already about 22,000 children are dying every day without one-time food. I decided I want to make a difference in my life. Do you want make a difference in your own life? Please join with us. Your life will be changed. Your family will be saved. Your family, your community, your country, and you can help the human being around this world. Let me play a video for you so that you will understand more about this, what Jose was telling about it. Okay.
In our world, many of us ignore the billions of people living in poverty. We put greed above need and profit above the people. Nearly half of the world's population, more than 3 billion people, live on less than $2.50 a day. More than 1.3 billion people live in extreme poverty on less than $1.25 a day. According to UNICEF, 1 billion children worldwide are living in poverty, and 22,000 of them die each day. In the last century, the definitions of equality, status, equal rights, and opportunities are almost forgotten. The rich get richer and the poor get poorer, the opposite of equality. Knowingly or unknowingly, we all live in our own bubbles, ignoring the needs of the billions of people around the world. But there is still hope. What would you do if I told you that you can make a difference by being part of an amazing community? You have the potential to change the world and turn poverty into prosperity, sadness into happiness, darkness into light, and the non-existent into life. Introducing Vitae, which means life in Latin. Vitae is built on the idea of equilibrium and on the idea that he who is last shall be first, and he who is first shall be last. We have built a platform which will create a brand new destiny and a new purpose in life, giving the opportunity to create equality for all mankind. Come join us and make the difference that is much needed today.
I hope you understand. You listen very carefully, which Jose was telling, whether it was correct or not. Really, I'm telling you, after listening this, I didn't got sleep. I started to work day and night. I understand that the importance of me into this world. God has given me this life not just for to enjoy, just help our fellow beings around this world. You see these faces of these children. Do you think that you can sleep? Do you think that the what you are doing right now, whether 9 to 5 job or any business, you are able to help these people around this world? So there's an opportunity called Vitae. Join our movement. Make a difference in your life. And please help the human being around this world who are in poverty. Let us help each and everybody. Let us be in this confidence of in this vision of this company to eliminate poverty worldwide. Vitae is not just about money making system. It's about making a difference in people's life. So in one lifetime, you are going to pay just $200 for what? To buying a fully automated home-based e-commerce system. You are able to get an opportunity to work here, to learn here, to earn for lifetime, empowering you, everyone to a new life. From Monday to Sunday, we are here from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. in different languages, from Malaysia, Belgium, Sweden, Thailand, anywhere in this world, we are there with you. What you must do, just get your friends or non-people. You know, don't try to explain them. Bring them to the platform. Bring them to the Zoom meeting. Let them understand any language, English, Hindi, Malayalam, Tamil, any language. You are able to do it. We are there from morning to night. Every day in Indian time, if a Malayalis are there, I am there at 9 p.m. live presentation every day. And occasionally it comes in different timings also. When somebody is absent in our schedule, definitely I'll be taking care of it. By the grace of God, approximately 4 to 5 languages I can speak. I'm able to manage the situation if any situation comes across. So be with Vitae. Learn from Vitae. Dr. Matisar, every Friday at 5:30 p.m. with the same link, with the same password. He's teaching us. Let us learn from him. Let us train ourselves to train other teammates. Come, join with us. One world, one team. Vitae Global Community Network. Anyone, anywhere, anytime, 24 hours. We have an online support team. In Telegram group, we will get every 2 hours what is happening today. Yesterday night till 3 o'clock, I was sending messages to my teammates saying that there are so many programs in your own languages. In India, there are so many languages. Maximum, I'm trying to get the maximum their own mother tongue so that you will feel the difference comparing to the different foreign languages. So here, let us work together. Let us learn together. Let us end together. Work as a teamwork is so powerful, I'm telling you. We can work as a united family in this whole world to eliminate the poverty worldwide. Let me play one more last video and we will close for the question answer sections.
Like, share, and connect with your friends and family and earn money while doing it within the Vitae platform. And even more exciting, you can also earn money every time your friends and neighbors share your posts and comments within the Vitae social network. Why is this different from companies that sell juice, cosmetics, health products, travel, legal services, or other utilities for your home? We're talking about making money on habits you already have. Yeah, you heard that right. We're not trying to convince anybody to change their daily habits and activities. We simply ask them to do them through our state-of-the-art social media network, and you get paid every time an action takes place in your Vitae timeline from the advertisers that share their advertisements on the platform. Real wealth creation potential that can pass down from generation to generation. No monthly purchase requirements, no auto ship requirements, no annual renewal fees. All with your free lifetime membership. Like, share when you want, how you want, and for what you want. It's all within the Vitae social network. Time is everything, and your time is now. The social media industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Why are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and so many others so successful? Because they make a small piece of every advertisement shared within their platforms. Well, Vitae is different. It shares up to 90% of the ad revenue back with its members. And what if you're the one making a small piece of every post of yours shared by everyone you referred and everyone they referred when they share with the Vitae member everywhere all over the world? Vitae is a global company and is now ready to expand, and probably very few even know about it in your area. You can help create your future now. This is your opportunity to be part of the vision. What if there was one social network that costs nothing to join and costs nothing to use, but every time you use it with likes and shares, you get paid? And what if you were allowed to share this with others? It costs them nothing to join and costs nothing to use, but every time they use it, you get paid? The future is Vitae. We're looking for visionaries. We want you. Together, we are strong. Together, we will create equilibrium and grow global prosperity. Your future starts now.
Yes, in Vitae, everybody is going to come without paying a single penny. It's a free to join and free to earn. We are the ambassadors. We are the sponsors to the whole world. We are going to proclaim this good news to the whole world, saying that there is an opportunity for you called Vitae, growing global prosperity. You can be a part of it. Join with us. We are there to help us. So, for that, what we must do, we have to be we have to be prepared. We have to be financial freedom. Then we can go to the slum areas, to the people who need our support. We can teach them, we can train them, we can be with them, so that we have a lot of money, right? Definitely we are able to do it. So it's a great opportunity. Thank you for listening to me. God bless you all. I hope whoever invited you, please, you talk to them, immediately collect your your invitation link and free registration, valid for 14 days. Take immediate step. So from day one, you are able to collect your garden units, and you can earn daily income even without working. God bless you all. Thank you very much.